guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming by. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey. If you are a returning subscriber, I have a Madam Glam video for you today. I hope you enjoy. I'm not going to do a lot of talking so that you can enjoy it. Madam Glam contacted me and they were asking if I wanted to review some of their gel polishes, which of course I have said yes, and this is not the first time that we have collaborated, so that was an easy yes. So I am so excited to show you these polishes in this box because they're so beautiful. So I am not going to do a lot of talking. I'm going to, stop talking so you guys can enjoy the rest of the video. I do have a 35% off discount code for you guys, so if you'd like to take advantage of that, please make sure that you watch the end of the video, because I'm not sure if I'm going to have it on the screen or in the description below, so be sure to check both. I probably will also link it in my community tab as well, so be sure to check that out. All right, enjoy the video. And I just wanted to say that no, I won't be swatching or using these polishes on my nails in this video, but I will on my next set be using these polishes. So I will be making another video with these polishes. So please stay tuned for that, because you will be seeing these again. I have to say one thing I just love about these polishes: the names. I love the names. How do they come up with these names? I would love to know. The names are always the cutest. I love reading the names of the polishes. It's so fun. Just a little about Madam Glam. If you've never heard of them before, you can definitely check these products out at madamglam.com. I will leave the link on the screen and in the description below. They are a vegan polish line, right? So these polishes are vegan, so there are no animal ingredients in these polishes at all. They are 21 free, and free, what that means is they are 21 free formula, which means that they are free from 21 of the most toxic chemicals found in nail polish, which is pretty incredible. They are cruelty free, so they do not test any products on animals and never will. And there's also no palm oil, so they are palm oil free, and they are produced with respect for the environment, is what it says right on their website. So definitely check out Madam Glam if you are interested in these polishes. They do have a huge wide range of polishes. Even me picking these polishes, because I hadn't been on the Madam Glam site in a while, it took me quite a while to figure out which polishes I wanted to go with, and these were the ones I wanted to go with. I had to look at the other Madam Glam polishes that I already have to make sure that I wasn't repeating. I wanted to, make sure that I got a different color from what I already had. So these were my choices, and I hope you enjoy them. They are also HEMA free, or HEMA. I don't know if it's HEMA or HEMA free. And I believe that that's an ingredient that kind of gives people kind of skin irritations, I think. Please correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe so. Wow. Okay, so as I'm editing, I am on the Madam Glam site. I did not even notice that there was an outlet, guys. Check out the outlet. If you go to the hamburger menu, you go all the way down to the bottom. It's going to say outlet, and then it's going to say 65% off. You're going to click it, and when you click it, you're going to see a couple of pages of polishes that are discounted, up to 60% off. So definitely check that out. These polishes are normally about $21.95 each, $21.95, and they are on sale right now for $7.68. cents. That is right, $7.68. So run on over to the outlet on Madam Glam because there is a huge sale going on right now that I had no idea about. So take advantage of that. Now, can you use the discounted, or can you use my discount code in the outlet? I'm not sure. You guys might want to go ahead and try, because if you can, you definitely are saving a ton. So check that out for sure. I just have to say, if you are looking for some sickening holographic or cat eye polishes, look to Madam Glam, period. Look at how sick these cat eye polishes are. I have a few, but these are definite. I think these top them for sure. For sure. So I just got a silver holographic cat eye, and then I got I just got a silver cat eye, sorry, and then I got a holographic cat eye polish. So, yeah, but look at that. Look at, I can't wait. I can't wait to use these. Now, I don't know if this is just me, but I've seen holographic polishes and then I've seen cat eye polishes. I've never seen holographic cat eye polishes. So I'm very excited to use this polish. I did say I wasn't going to talk much. I apologize. Well, I am doing a collaboration, guys, and so that is, something that I have to do is I have to talk throughout the video. So if that's not something that you enjoy, I apologize, but I had to do this for Madam Glam. Big, huge shout out to Madam Glam. Thank you always for the support. I appreciate you guys so very much. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.